This is the world's most advanced robot vacuum and mop. It smart maps and autonomously navigates your floors and carpets. Its strong suction can clean up big messes. It can move over rugs, bumps, and avoid drop-offs. The dustbin is easily emptied. The robot is simple to switch from vacuuming to mopping. Spills are no problem. On the app, you can see the smart map the robot creates of the house. The robot is very quiet and efficient. After mopping, the robot returns home to self-clean the mops ready for another day of cleaning.